guys, this is just a small unboxing of something I picked up this week. Here's the box and the receipt. Here she is. Let's open her up. This is SLG. It is this is the 4-ring key holder from Louis Vuitton in the monogram. It's just one continuous canvas. This is what the inside looks like. And this one is made in France. I've already put my keys in here. I just have 3 regular keys and a key fob. And that's what it looks like. I wanted to do a size comparison between the 4-ring key holder and the 6-ring key holder. They're pretty much the same height wise and in depth, but obviously the 6-ring key holder is a little bit wider. It's about 1/4 inch wider. So the pros of the 4-ring key holder is that it is a little bit more compact and can fit better into like your small SLG like the mini pochette or your smaller handbags. The con would be is that if you are doing a quick errand, although there's space in the back for your ID or a credit card, it won't close all the way just because it's not wide enough to close comfortably. Another con to note is that because it's a lighter interior, you will be able to see the scuffs and marks a little bit more. So for the 6-ring key holder, the pros would be obviously that it fits a little bit more keys. It does have space for your ID or credit card, and it will close comfortably. It can also house larger key fobs, because again it's a little bit wider here. Another pro for this particular canvas is that it is a black interior, and so the wear and tear would be less obvious, although there are a little bit of divots from the keys. I don't really see any cons to this. I've had this since maybe October of last year and it still looks pretty brand new. I don't really see any scratches on the hardware, and don't really see any wears in the interior as well. So if I were to only choose one, I would probably choose this one just because again I don't have that many keys and it fits everything I need comfortably in here. But if you're somebody who has excess of keys or you have a larger key fob, I would probably go for this one. But again, there can be use for both in your life. Let's say this one can just be your everyday keys, or this can house your larger key fob and extra keys and just be kept in your bag. Hope you guys enjoyed this small unboxing and comparison between the 4-ring key holder and the 6-ring key holder. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.